Good morning, kiddos. Sorry I'm not with you today. I'm home with a sick baby. But even though I'm not there, we're still gonna learn some goodies. So today we're gonna talk about multiplying polynomials. We've been talking about what polynomials are. You know that this is a polynomial and you know that this is a polynomial. Today we're gonna talk about multiplying them together. I'm gonna show you two methods. Hold on to your hats. First method, I'm gonna write this first polynomial, 2x plus 3, sorry about the dog in the background, in a column. And then next to that, I'm going to write this second polynomial next to each row. Now I'm going to distribute. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 5 is plus 10x. Now I'm going to move down a row, and I'm going to move right a column. 3 times x is plus 3x. 3 times 5 is plus 15. So when we move down and then over, it lines up all of our like terms, and all we need to do now is add. 2x squared is all by itself, so it just stays 2x squared. 10x plus 3x is plus 13x. And then 15 is all by itself, so it stays alone as well. And we've done it. We multiplied two polynomials, two binomials. Look at us go. Second method, I want you to know, uses an acronym called the FOIL method. We're going to talk about it down below, but I'm going to mention it here and show you how it works. FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. So first, I'm going to rewrite our polynomial multiplication here. First is going to be first term times first term. That's the F part. So that's 2x times x is 2x squared. O is going to be outside terms. So 2x times 5. That's the O. So 2x times 5 is plus 10x. I is the inside terms. 3 times x. That's plus 3x. And L is going to be last term times last term. So 3 times 5 is plus 15. Looks a lot like this over here did, right? Except for instead of having them in columns, we've got them in one row. So now we can just combine like terms and add. The first term is going to stay the same always. Two middle terms will add together, so plus 13x. And the last one stays the same as well. So we get the same answer twice, two different methods. You can choose whichever one you like. The one on the left here will work for every polynomial that we multiply. You can see that tomorrow we're going to talk about some bigger polynomials. The FOIL method only works when you're multiplying two binomials. So now you do the problem below, figure that out, tell me what the answer is. Ready, set, go. All right, let me scoot. Whoa, that was not it. Let's see if we can scoot down. There we go. Do this one. I'm only going to do this one in that first way that I showed you. You can use the FOIL method if you'd like. X times 3x is 3x squared. Oh, just kidding. This will be the FOIL method. So that's the first. O is outside terms. So x times 4 is plus 4x. Negative 2 times 3x, which is the inside terms, so that's minus 6x. Negative 2 times 4, the two last terms, that's minus 8. We combine like terms, we get 3x squared minus 2x minus 8. If you did it this other way that I showed you, where you put them in a column and then distribute with the second polynomial twice, it would look like the same final answer, but like this instead. So 3x squared minus 2x minus 8. Got it? All right, we're going to do some more examples, then you're going to be on your own. Stop and do this one on your own, please. All right. Now, dog wants to play. So we're going to use the long distributive method that I showed you. Briley, there should be an x here with the 3. Sorry, I missed that when it printed. There should be 3x, or actually not x, should be y. Let's erase that. We're going to do one polynomial. So we'll make that a y. And then 3y plus 5 again. So got 2 times 3 is 6. Y times y is y squared. 2y times 5 is plus 10y. Then we move down a row and over a column. Negative 7 times 3y is minus 21y. Negative 7 times positive 5 is minus 35. We add them together, get 6y squared minus 11y minus 35. FOIL method, you'd get the exact same thing. Okay, so let's demonstrate that. 2y times 3y, 6y squared. Outside terms, 2y times 5 plus 10y. Inside, for the I, negative 7 times 3y minus 21y. Outside, negative 7 times 5 minus 35. Combine like terms, we get 6y squared minus 11y minus 35. We did it. Go ahead and pause and do the next one, please. Okay, I'm going to use the FOIL method. 4 times 2 is 8. A times A is A squared. 4 times 9 is times negative 9 is minus 36. And then the A comes along. Negative 5 times 2A is minus 10A. Negative 5 times a negative 9 is plus 45. That'll be the most common mistake, is to forget the signs. Please don't do it. Combine like terms. 8a squared stays 8a squared. Negative 36 minus 10. They have the same sign, so we add them together and put a negative in front. Negative 36 and negative 10 is negative 46. A. And then plus 45. We did it. Last one. Do it on your own. All right. Let's do this one the long way. Use whichever method makes the most sense to you. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is minus 4x. Down a row, over a column. 3 times x is plus 3x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Add all our goods. X squared minus x minus 12 is the answer. This here tells us that we notice that when two linear expressions are multiplied, the result's a quadratic expression every time. So if we have two binomials that have x's in them, we're always going to have an x squared, a quadratic expression. We're going to skip example 3, and then we're going to do the rest tomorrow. So use what you've learned today about multiplying binomials. Save the rest of your notes for tomorrow. Go ahead and continue on Canvas and do the assignment that I've given you. Please be on your best behavior, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.